Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to talk about how you can change text color on your Adobe Express. So it will be a quick tutorial for you guys. So without any further ado, let's get started. So here you can see we have templates over here. So I will click on one of them, just click to the social media, and from that place I will choose one of the templates, just click to the YouTube, and here I'll click for the browse template for YouTube feed. I think this template will be a good one for me. So let's find it out some couple of templates. Let's click to the free one, and there I will get only free template over that place. So I'll click to the template again, then here I'll come back to this one, and then I will search for the template which are free. So let's go and let's find it out couple of template. Let's click choose the free one, and then from that place I will find out a template which has text or which is not a video. So let's go and let's see. I think this one will be quite good, so I will place it here and it will be placed in here. So now here actually you can see we have texts. So if you want to edit anything, so let's remove this one first of all, then click delete, and now we have another thing. Let's see, yeah, okay, we just need to remove this, and now we can select our text here by that place. So I want to change the text color. So how I can do it? I just need to select the specific text where I just want to change the color or change the font color. So let's select this one, this tennis word, and then here you can see I have the options for the fill and I have the options for out of things. So here I will click to the effect. Here from that place I can choose the color, or I can go to this one and then I will select the fill and I will choose the color. So here we have more colors, so you can choose any color from that place. So this is the easiest way to change the thing. So similarly, if you add a text over that place, let's add a text here manually. Let's go and I add this text. Let's assume this is my text, so I want to change the color. So I just will go over here and I will select the color, and here you can see that our color of the text has been changed. I hope you love this video. If you think this video was helpful for you, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I will catch you in the next video with an interesting topic again.